I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Back when they thought pink polos would hurt the rock. Before Cam got the shit to pop, the doors closed. I felt like bad boy street team. I couldn't work the locks. Now let's go. Take them back to the plan. Me and my mama hopped in that U-Haul van. Any pessimists, I ain't talk to them. Plus I ain't had no phone in my apartment. Let's take them back to the club. At least about an hour I stand online. I just wanted to dance. I went to Jacob an hour after I got my advance. I just wanted to shine. Jay favorite line, dog, in due time. Now they look at me like, damn dog, you what I am. A hip-hop legend, I think I died in an accident. Cause this must be heaven. I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Now let's take them high. Now let's take them high. Back when Gucci was the shit to rock. Back when Slick Rick got the shit to pop. I'd do anything to say I got it. Damn, them new loafers hurt my pocket. Before anybody wanted K-West beats, me and my girl split the buffet at KFC. Dog, I was having nervous breakdowns. Like, man, these niggas that much better than me. Baby, I'm going on an aeroplane, and I don't know if I'll be back again. Sure enough, I sent the plane tickets, but when she came to kick it, things became different. Any girl I cheated on, she skeeted on. Couldn't keep it at home, thought I needed a knee along. I'm trying to right my wrongs, but it's funny them same wrongs help me write the song now.
Alright, y'all, so I have the wig installed. This wig is from Original Queen Hair. This is their 26-inch, 250% density frontal wig, or it's a lace front, I'm sorry. So you get an inch of parting space. You get an inch of parting space on the side, and then you get about 4 inches in the middle. This wig came lightly pre-plucked. Honestly, if I had my way, I would have went in and plucked some more, but it was kind of hard to pluck this wig. So to save on time, I just kept it like a full hairline, so it's okay. Because some people like their hairlines full, so I decided to just keep it more on the fuller side. But y'all, this hair is so pretty. It's really, really soft. The curls are really pretty, and as you can see, it gets really, really big. I know I love big hair. But yeah, y'all, if you're interested in this company, definitely check the description box. Again, big shout out to Original Queen Hair for sending me out this wig. I thank y'all so much. Yeah, y'all, I had nothing else to say, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love y'all so much, and I'm gonna talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die.